we're outclassed. USA are just more talented than we are.
How does it affect our chances going into the World Cup?
Wagwan sports fans, welcome back to another episode. I'm your host Joe Meyer.
I'm Rush.
And this is This or That Sports TV, the place you guys come to get the best, most interesting and riveting sports topics, discussions and debates on the internet.
Yes, Steve, but before we get into the video, please ensure that you like, comment, share. Now, man, we're gonna beg this, man. Yeah, man, we're gonna beg this. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna shame. Shame she broke down. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, people. Long time. About 5 years now. Yeah. But people, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We do appreciate it. Now, bro, this video. You know, the last video that they watched, we were gassed. They were excited. We said that the Reggae girls are going to the World Cup.
Still maintain.
And I will not be singing our next tune.
Well, we're singing a slightly different tune.
The girls are going to the World Cup. But we're going to review the USA game. Jamaica took a thrashing, I would say, a 5-0 defeat from the best team in the world. Let's talk about it. You know, I perused the internet a little bit and I saw a little bit of overreaction. People say that we don't look as good, blah, 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 blah. What do you think about that? You think we are just outclassed or we never play well?
We're outclassed. USA are just more talented than we are. In the first 60 minutes, I think we held our shape well enough, just outstanding skill. They got 2 goals on us really quickly, you get what I say. I appreciate the fact that the coach maintained his line of confrontation. He wasn't, especially initially, attempting to give USA the game and to roll over and surrender. We saw that we were trying to get out, we were trying to get forward, we were trying to make things happen. And we maintained our line of confrontation. We decided that we weren't going to come out and surrender the game to the United States of America. And I appreciate that. One thing I also saw with the squad selection, that he would have rested a few players, in my opinion. I think he rotated the squad because he already knew that the chances of winning this game were already fairly slim. So, until we made like subs, which really diminished the quality on the field.
Yeah.
I wouldn't say we were playing up USA's level by any stretch of the imagination, but I do believe that we maintained some sort of discipline and form and we didn't look awful.
I won't go as far as to say Jamaica was poor today. As I say, I think we were massively outclassed. Within 30 minutes, I would say, and call it. At 45 minutes, make some halftime changes. I don't want to see Bunny come back out, just call this game, because at the end of the day, we didn't need to win this game. No. When you take everything into account, we didn't start our strongest team. By the 68th minute, I think we made like 4 substitutions already. So I don't think all in all it was a 5-0 game, but because we altered our team, because of some individual mistakes and a few things, we conceded 5 goals. Now people, we need to put everything into perspective, and I don't want us to go too far left or right. Even though we're gone right long time, we're gone a World Cup. But we're
gone a World Cup, man.
But let's put into perspective though. Who are we playing? We played America, that we said time and time again is the best team in the world.
Yeah.
But just to give people some perspective,
we said FIFA rankings.
There we go. Give the people some perspective. If this was the men's game, who would we be playing? Just to make them understand the levels that USA are at.
It would be akin to Jamaica playing the likes of France, Brazil. Teams of that ilk and nature. That would be what we were doing today if we were supposed to compare the quality that USA possesses as compared to the quality that we possess.
Yeah, and that is fair, and this is why I'm not overreacting.
Yeah.
Because we are ranked 50-something, 51st, and we played the #1 nation in the world. Now, if the Reggae boys had played Belgium, I'm pretty sure we'd have get 8s. You don't think we'd have get some 8s?
No.
Yeah, man, I think we'd have get. Last time we played,
there is no team in the world that can give this Reggae boys.
I'm telling you. Last time we played Argentina, last time we played France, we get
which 8? Where?
No, I'm not saying we got 8.
You just said 8. So
I personally think if we play the best team in the world right now, Jamaica would get embarrassed.
4, 5, maybe. No.
People tell me if I talk madness, but honestly, I think that now if we play Brazil,
there's no team out there that is capable of just putting 8 past Jamaica like that and absolutely embarrassed. No, you know, I got me.
I think if we play the best in the world, but
I think how it looked today would be how it would look if the Jamaica senior team played against one of those top teams in the Caribbean. I think if we play our best game, like, you're not fair 2-0 results. I don't think any team in the world is 4 goals better than us on our best day, or a senior team. You're undershooting a lot.
Right. I'm trying to put it into perspective so that people don't really get too harsh on the girls. I don't want the criticism to be too much. Just so them understand what we're up against today. No, does this affect our chances?
You don't have to trash my boys them so much. We're not.
No, man. No, I honestly believe that if we play the best in the world, we'll concede a lot of goals. But that's not even the point. The point I'm making is that we were playing the best nation in the world. New question. How does it affect our chances going into the World Cup? Or to qualify for the World Cup?
I think the same chances that we had after beating Mexico is the same chance that we have right now. You know, after beating Mexico, I knew that there was only 3 points left to grab on the table. There's a maximum of 3 points left after beating Mexico, and as it stands, there's still a maximum of 3 points left to be acquired from the last game. So nothing changes in my mind. And I wish we hadn't gotten 5.
Yeah.
You know, I wish the scoreline was a bit more favorable. Sorry, people, I can't talk every video. I wish the result was more favorable. However, you know, it doesn't change our chances.
It doesn't change much, but something that is going on at the moment, you probably can't check the score, but Haiti is leading Mexico.
Yeah.
And that would definitely kind of change some people's perspective.
That would make the final game more nerve-wracking.
Yes, sir. If Haiti beat Mexico, especially more goals than we beat them, already we are behind right now because we conceded 5, Haiti conceded 3 against America. If they manage to beat Mexico, they would be in the driving seat. Not lose against Jamaica and they're in the World Cup. No, let's hope. Check at the point of recording this video, Haiti is leading.
Yeah, I just checked it.
So we have to hope. Well, I think we're supposed to beat Haiti, but people, Reggae Girls don't make it look like fools on this channel. But already call it the Reggae Girls page, like we say. Let's do the job. People, look out for the preview video coming. I wanted to wrap up the USA match. And this video was just to give perspective. It's not even to beat the girls. It's not to... We didn't even do a tactical breakdown of the game. Because there's not much to say. We were just outclassed. They were just better than us and they scored 5 goals.
And I don't want to talk about my team getting 5 anyways. Sorry, people, for shortchanging you. When they deserve a technical and tactical breakdown, whoever after seeing a team just succumb to a 5-0 defeat, you know, they just...
What's there to say? Oh, they played too high. Oh, America got in behind and do a good... No, we're not really going to do that. But people, look out for the preview. Look out for more Reggae Girls content. We still remain on the wagon, not the bandwagon. We're still going into the World Cup.
As I said, you know, there's nothing that, you know, I do believe that this Mexican game will finish in a 1-1 draw. To mark my words, I do believe that's where it will finish.
You could see.
And if it finishes in a 1-1 draw, all we will need to do is get a point in the last game. However, even if Haiti manages to sneak away, because it would still be an upset, to sneak away with 3 points from this game, I do believe that Jamaica has what it takes to go out and score. But if Haiti wins, the pressure is on.
It is. But yeah, Reggae Girls, roll up on head. Next game, must win, regardless of the Haiti result. People, don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe. We never give them the mats at the beginning, but you have to give them now. We're up, so we're do.
People, if each one of you guys, you see how calm and mellow my voice is right now? You know, because I'm trying to relate. You get my I'm trying to be all, you know, charming and smooth.
Left that, brother.
If each one of you guys can get us 5 subscribers, do you know how many subscribers that get us by the end of the day, people?
A lot. But for now, people, this is That Sports TV.
And out.